Greetings, this is your old boy Johnny streaming live from Amarillo, Texas today. I'm living that laptop lifestyle and out on the road meeting some cool new people and doing some business up north. Today I wanted to give you a quick tip on how to boost your website traffic, engage more content, and get more people flowing through there so you can get more jobs. And we're going to do that by getting some easy to grab search terms through blogging. I'm on my Mangools and I'm looking at the keyword finder. I'll put a link below for this. But basically, how a blog's going to help you out is by answering questions that people are asking Google. So if you can answer those questions all in advance, then Google will automatically defer to you. So let's say, off the top of my head, let's just say you're a roofer. All right. Let's see what the keyword density looks like on that one. Come on, baby. Come on. Evidently, I don't have the best cell signal here. All right. Roofers get 35,400 searches a month. However, you can see the keyword difficulty here is a little on the high side. So let's look for some easy ones. Flat roof repair, keyword difficulty of 28. Still has 9,400 searches. That's a good one. Commercial roofing, affordable roofing. These are all terms that you could weave into a blog and grab fairly easy. The keyword difficulty is low, the search is high. So as you can see, by writing a quick blog, 500 to 800 words, and attaching it to your website, you can easily get more words to rank for. And the more words you rank for, the more volume or traffic your site has. The more traffic your site has, the more business you get. So let's boost your business by increasing your digital footprint here. Now you can see there's all kinds of different search terms here covering all different types of roofing, and a lot of them are in the green. They have very low keyword difficulty, meaning we can rank them pretty quick and easy. Now let's just say you want to write a blog about, we covered several different types of roofing. Let's just say, what are the different types of roofing? And let's see if we can match the who, what, where, why, how, and when with something that we can really dial in. Oh, roofing, not roofer. There we go. All right, different types of roofing. All right, well, 290 people are typing that one in. It's a low search volume. So that's probably a good title for the blog. Title it, What are the different types of roofing? You're going to get 290 more searches a month. You're going to rank it easy. And in that blog, you can touch on all the different types of roofing. You can talk briefly about shingle roofing, metal roofing, commercial roofing, flat roofing, all that stuff. And then in that blog, if you hyperlink, say, metal roofing, back to your website on that particular service page where you talk in detail about metal roofing, that's where you go 3 levels deep in the whole inception game of SEO, niche specific knowledge. Because the first page is going to be your landing page, your home page, where you're just going to briefly mention the different types of roofing you do and link back to your service page to learn more, And then on that service page, you'll talk in depth about that particular type of roofing, metal roofing in this case. And you could also hyperlink off that page to your blog. So you're 3 levels deep in talking about this metal roofing. So obviously when Google crawls your page, they're going to see you as the metal roofing guy, the authority. So if anyone within like an X mile radius types in what are the types of metal roofing, and you already have a blog specifically titled that question, you're answering their question directly. So Google's going to defer to you. You're going to snatch up that traffic. You're going to get more people calling, and you're going to get more jobs. It's that easy. So for more tips, follow my blog, follow the group, and All the links will be below for this as well as other videos. Hit that like, subscribe button, and I'll talk to you in the next one.